Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can download Chase mobile app. So let's jump right in. The Chase mobile banking app is an official mobile application by JP Morgan Chase that allows you to manage your bank account anytime, anywhere right from your phone. You can check your balance, transfer money, pay bills, deposit checks, and even locate nearby ATMs or branches. It's fast, secure, and makes banking more convenient than ever. Now, in order to download it, head over to the Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or the App Store if you're on an iPhone. Once you're there, tap on the search bar and type Chase Mobile. You'll see an app with a blue background and white Chase logo, listed as Chase Mobile S by JP Morgan Chase. That's the official one. Tap on the Download or Install button to begin downloading the app. Let's wait a few moments while it installs. Now keep in mind, if you're trying to access Chase services from a PC, the process is different. You'd need to visit the Chase website directly through your browser instead of downloading an app. Once the download is complete, go ahead and open the app. And that's it. With the Chase mobile app, you'll be able to handle most of your banking needs right from your phone, whether you're checking your balance, transferring funds, or making payments all in just a few taps.